Hello. This is the first video for Section 2, Chapter 2 for Math0302 Beginning Algebra. In this section we're going to deal with the addition and multiplication properties of equality. Now, before we begin, we're going to look at what a linear equation in one variable is. It's defined here as a linear equation in one variable can be written in the form ax plus b equals c, where a, b, and c are real numbers and a is not equal to 0. These are also called first degree equations. Now, one of the things, it's kind of hard to see there, but it's ax plus b is equal to c. Now notice that it says it can be written in this form, not that it is written in this form. This is just one of the forms that it can be in. Okay. Now, this golden rule basically applies to all problems. Whatever you do to one side, you do to the other side, basically. Now, it's written kind of in the golden rule form. It says, do unto the left side as you do unto the right side. Whatever you do to one side, you do to the other. Now then, here is the addition property of equality. It says, adding the same number to both sides of an equation does not change the solution of the equation. What we want to do is we want to talk about solutions first of all. Now again, ax plus b equals c is our equation where a is not equal to 0. The solution is any x value that when you plug in the x here and you simplify both sides, the left-hand side will equal the right-hand side. That's what a solution is. So what we want to do is we want to find a way of getting the x effectively by itself to get x equal to some number. Okay. Now it says here that adding the same number to both sides of an equation does not change the solution of the equation. Now what this looks like, if I started out with ax plus b equals c, I could add ax plus b plus some other number here is equal to c plus that same number. This equation here has the same solution as this equation here. Whenever I write down the solutions also, there's one thing we need to remember. Okay, that's not a very good curly bracket. Better. Solutions need to be in set form. So the set, the number, and the close set. So understand that there's a difference between a solution and an answer. Now an answer is just whenever you simplify something, there's your answer. A solution specifically means what do you plug into the original equality or inequality to make the statement true, because mathematical statements can be either true or false. So solution sets are the set of all numbers that make that original statement true. Now note down here that it says that since subtraction is adding the opposite, we can also subtract the same number from both sides of an equation and it will not change the situation. It will not change the solution set. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and end the video here, and on the next we're going to actually do some examples.